Oh, hold on. Didn't get for the holidays. Didn't get that pay raise. Gee whiz, a bucket dry Christmas. Gee whiz, a bucket dry Christmas. Good morning everyone, it's Vlogmas day 9 and today I'm going to create an artwork for you guys. I'm going to create the Tesla Cybertruck. These are what you will need along with printouts of the Tesla Cybertruck, a meter stick and a palette. I'm using the meter stick to draw lines 1 inch apart from each other. You're supposed to have at least 11 lines when you're finished. Based on the picture, I'm using approximation to get the different measurements that I want. You can comment down below if you need those measurements, or I will put them in the description box below. This is the finished outline of the truck. It's not as clear, but the cutting out will further define the shape of the truck, so keep on watching. What you can also do is to use a printout to get the size that you want. Print the Cybertruck that you want, both left and right side, put it against the sugar board, trace, then cut out. Ensure to leave a flap to glue against the roof. What you're seeing here is the structure of the Cybertruck forming. This is how it looks when it's laid flat. My Cybertruck was a bit too high, so I slit the excess, then use it for the flap. And there you go, the flaps are at the top. Put the roof flat, then glue the sides on. All done. Now we're going to go ahead and spray paint it in silver. Get the printouts of your truck, then glue them on. Then you're going to draw on your windscreen, then paint it black. You can't paint, you can always do another printout for the roof. I accidentally made an extra slit at the back part of the car, so what I did was to spray paint a piece of paper, then glue it on to hide. And there you go, my Tesla Cybertruck. For the lights, I use white paint at the front, and for the back lights, I use the red paint. It's made out of cardboard, but there's always room for improvement. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Love you guys. Mwah.